Wake up.
Mama.
Wake up.
Hey, Josie, did you hear about Earl throwing up on himself?
What?
Did you hear about Earl throwing up on himself?
No, when was this?
He did it yesterday.
That's too much evil!
Earl threw up on himself last night. Great, twice. Twice, 2 big ones.
Earl. Fuck, it smells in here.
I know.
Woo! Earl, wake up.
Earl!
Here.
Smells good in here. Earl, let us see your face.
Earl. Earl.
Some money.
Give me some money. Wake up. Here's a beer for you guys. Whoa! Check this action out. Earl, drink the beer, Earl.
Oh my God.
Don't throw up in it, damn it.
You guys want to sit in my house?
What? Yeah. Earl.
What time is it?
11:47.